Hello, this video is about how to set up the video doorbell in app and pair the indoor chime. The video doorbell works with AI Wait app. If this is the first time you use AI Wait app, please sign up first. You need to enter your email address, enter the email address again, set a password, then sign up. You will receive an activation link in your email. Please go to the email, click the link to activate your account first. If you don't receive the email, please check your spam box. Then come back and log in. Enter your email address, enter your password. Log in. Add device. Choose video doorbell. Choose our model. If your device is not flashing red, please press and hold the doorbell button for 8 seconds.
Entering pairing mode.
It will say entering pairing mode and it will flash red. Tap yes. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password.
Entering pairing mode.
Please note the device supports only 2.4G Wi-Fi. Please double check the settings of your router to make sure it gives 2.4G Wi-Fi. Tap next. Please double check your Wi-Fi name and password. Confirm. It will show a QR code. Please use the doorbell camera to scan this QR code.
QR code scan finished. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi connected. Waiting for device registration. Device registration successful.
Registration successful. Confirm. Then the device is set it up successfully. You can tap this photo area anytime to get into live preview. This is the talk button. You can tap the talk button to talk to your visitor. Here is playback. All of your videos will be saved here, and you can choose the dates to see videos on different days. And here is about settings. It lists the basic information of your device. You can choose your time zone, adjust the doorbell ringing volume, and your cloud storage service will be listed here. From here, you can change your Wi-Fi, and you can change your device name here. This page is about motion detection settings. You can adjust the motion sensitivity here in this area. The device supports humanoid detection. It means if you turn it on, the device will alert you only when there is movement of a human being. And here is motion alerts and ring alerts. They are about notifications. You can turn off the motion function if you don't need it. And please remember to save your selections before you leave this page. Here is about device sharing. You can share your device to your family. You can share by QR code scanning. Show this QR code to the new user, but the new user needs to register first and scan this code through their AI Wait account. You can also share by email. Just enter another AI Wait account and the device will be shared. This area is about device ownership. Enter another AI Wait account, then your device will be transferred to another account. The device ownership is very important because only the owner account has the options to adjust the settings, change, delete the videos, or share the device. The shared accounts don't have these options. Then we pair the chime. The chime has USB port, so you can plug it in USB outlet. If you don't have it, you can use USB adapter. There's only one button on the chime, the pair button. When you press the pair button, it will flash blue. You need to ring the doorbell while the chime is flashing blue, then they will pair. Now they are paired. When you ring the doorbell again, the chime will ring along. And by the way, whenever you have any question about the doorbell or about AI Wait app, please feel free to contact us through the AI Wait customer service.